Anastasia State Park this evening, out here on the beach. It's a little windy. Tide's definitely coming in here. Typical brown grainy sands. East Coast. Moon's looking pretty. There it is. Bam. Hey guys, walking the beach out here at Anastasia. A little bit chilly. A little further north. My Tampa blood is definitely feeling it right now. Yeah. It's starting to come up on me. Oh, time to run. I can't get my Vans wet. Shit. Man. It's nice out here. Let's see if we can try to get away from the wind so it's, see all the microbes. There we go. The moon's looking pretty cool through the clouds, eh? Oh shit! Gotta go! Damn, it came up there. It was coming after me. Son of a... Whew, I had to run. I'd have been in 2 foot of water. Son of a bitch. Whew. Trying to get me. It's trying to get came way up there, man.
That's hilarious.
Look how far that is. Man, I don't know. There's only one person watching at the moment. I got, oh, there's Erica. Hey, Erica. It's gorgeous out here. Yo, look at that shit. I about got swamped by the
ocean.
By the ocean there. We come up, look, it went way up here. And it's normally down there. I had to run. About got my Vans wet. We're gonna tempt it. We're gonna tempt it. Oh, there it comes again. Whoa, look at her, look at her. Oh, she's coming. She's coming after me. Look, right in that spot. Whoa. This is cool, man. Pier out there. Can't really see it very well. I can see it with my own blue eyes. But gonna walk that way. Some people down there. We'll let them have their party over there. What they doing? Hi, Vicky, I see you joining us. You missed it. Almost got swallowed by a wave. Right? See? Calm down. That's enough of that. Ooh-wee. There we go. The moonlight. Stop it. Moonlight. Oh, that's cool. Look at the line. It's pretty awesome, man. The tide's coming in hard, though. True, I had to flex my feet. Can't get my fat Vans wet. Shoot. Miss Pam, how about ran her over? Shit, don't get in my way. I can't have my Vans getting wet now. Whoa, 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 hey. It's like them damn crabs on Nemo. Hey. It was pretty cool earlier when we were down this afternoon. We've seen some hermit crabs on the beach. It was pretty dope. I posted some pictures. I got a little video, but I gotta be sitting down at home. Need some space. Need some space to work. Flex my elbow. Whoa, there's coming. Whoa. Alrighty. Alright, guys. Let's get a little more of the beautiful light here. But you guys, yeah, get a little more sun here. A little moon sun. Yeah, this is pretty cool. It's not quite as pretty as the bay. I'm sorry. I'm a little one-sided towards that bay life, but it is pretty here. Look on the flashlight. There it is. Tide's coming in. Yeah. Well, I don't know. There's rocks or something. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. What's up, Amanda? There's that. Bam. You got some sun. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. That one about got me. That one definitely about got me. I'm at, we're at, whoa, whoa, son of a bitch, hold on. Whoa. Can't get my Vans wet, yo. We're at Anastasia.
Anastasia State Park.
State Park, yeah. Here. I'll go back to the sign. There's a sign right here. Anastasia State Park, just pretty much St. Augustine. Yeah, it's a very shelly beach. It's not like our Tampa Bay beaches. No pets beyond this point. Why did you let me go past there? Oh my God. Gonna get me in trouble. Hey, Debbie. It's my friend Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Anastasia State Park here. Some tide come in. I did a little running earlier. You guys, well, some of you missed it. There it is. Hey, Chuck. Couldn't get Rick to come down here. He's like, no, I'm old. I don't know walking today. So, he's back at the campground, tending the fire.
Holding down the fort.
Holding the fort, you know. Taking care of things. Pretty cool. Alright, guys. Do a little walking with Miss Pam here. She don't want me to just sit on live the whole time, but I'll give you guys a little final goodbye with that moon. It's cool. It looks way better in person. Whoa! Whoa. Alright. Over and out.